If you saw sketching from a moving car from a week or two ago, then today we're adding color to the sketches using imagination because we are not zooming around in the car now. So this was a street scene and there was trees on the side, and so the road is that gray area. I tried to make it lighter in the back, the distance, and a little darker in the front. Same with the trees. I used a variety of greens and but tried to have it somewhat lighter in what was supposed to be distance. And so anyway, that's kind of a fudged greenery style. Here is on the highway. There was a bridge ahead, and so trying to put clouds. Sort of had to make up as you go along because obviously, for one thing, there's no mountains in Florida, but I put some mountains in the back as just to hint at distance somehow. And anyway, adding details slowly but surely. And so here was I let that dry, and then I tried to put a person riding a bike in there. I don't know if it really looks like that. It looks kind of like maybe a squished bug. I'm not sure. And I had this in my imagination. I was going to have these poles with striking, contrast and artistry, but it didn't work out quite like that. But anyway, and then here, I don't remember what I wanted to do this second thing over, but I just added a little bit of detail. So there it is, road sketch while you drive around, colored in.